Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading webinar. My name is Nenad, and today, again, I'm with you, and I'm very happy to say that yesterday we made nice profits, and profits definitely continue in our direction. And you can always check my FX book account, live account for trading stats. I will show you that just a little bit later. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. So please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. So with having said this, guys, let me just quickly, I will quickly open the chart, and I will show you currently which trades we have. Before I do that, please sign up for more live education and live trading webinars on these web addresses. And this is the account that I'm trading, and I'm very happy. So it's constantly in profit. It goes in profits. And of course, for all of you who want to join. We trade live. And here also on my FX book, I will show you that you can have current results live. I'm watching my other monitor, so we'll show you that right away. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Here we go. So the account is 311.15% up with a minimal drawdown, considering that this because I risked only from the profits I made, not from the equity. And you see it's going up. This was the high. Now we have a V-shaped reversal, so I guess the account should go more to the upside. So basically, it's constantly going up, and I'm very, very happy for that. So guys, okay, feel free to visit the webinars also and check our live trading. So let's see what we have here. Trade from, I also showed you this trade yesterday. So I scaled out already, and I have the dollar, Singapore dollar buy trade. I also have Australian dollar, New Zealand buy trade. I also scaled out. I had 3 separate positions scale out. And now the last one, this is what I'm holding. And I think that the Australian dollar, New Zealand will also go up. You see how the price shows. This arrow is just a swing point. It doesn't mean that we enter the market. I can actually delete it. It's not needed here. So basically, you see how the price goes up. Okay. Then this is Camarilla MACD MTF on 4-hour time frame. So this is what I'm currently trading. I'm based on 4-hour trading because last 30 trades I had 25 wins, approximately only 5 losses. Very, very successful, and I'm very happy how things go. Also, it's much stress-free because I don't need to monitor the charts each second, each minute, and watch for 1-hour trades. So now I almost completely moved to 4-hour trading, and thanks to my Camarilla MACD, I can have as many trades on 4-hour as I have on 1 hour because of the addition of these entries and smaller arrows. So basically, it's not like a standard 4-hour system where you need to wait for a trade to happen or where you need to wait once or twice per week to have a trade. Sometimes we can have 3-4 trades per day thanks to these arrows. Of course, all rules should be aligned. Yeah, I also had a short on euro dollar today, but because price didn't move, I closed it. Maybe it was a mistake. I closed it for some 5 pips, although the signal is very clear on my Camarilla MACD. But, when price is not moving at all, I close the trade. Nevertheless, I don't care because I already am in profit and I have these profits running, so I'm going to leave them. Now, let's scan for other pairs. Definitely, as I was right, that euro dollar is going to go down. Now I'm checking also other trade setups, and I want to see if there could be some new setups. Yeah, dollar CAD actually gave a long opportunity, a re-entry long, but you see it's a range. I don't see a clear trend. Maybe this was the better entry here, 32.83, but now the price already gone. This is a re-entry dot, but then again, it's resistance here. I'm not very convinced now in dollar CAD long, so I would stay away from this. Market is very slow. If it was a faster moving market, then I would definitely take the trade. Let's see the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, it's still going up. GBP OD. So we are scanning now. Maybe we will have also more trades. Nothing here. GBP OD, dollar yen. Yeah, two. This is big, big, big. I can say consolidation. I don't want to take those consolidation trades. Gold, yeah, constantly moving up. Very good signals there, but now we don't have any signal. GBP dollar, I was trying to get into a short position. I missed it completely. Now we could see a trend change. There is like a bit of a strange movement, big, big, big up, and then a big down move. So I might say GBP dollar is not clear. I'm not trading this now. Euro GBP, similar thing, nothing there. Euro New Zealand, yeah, nothing also. GBP New Zealand, no entry. CAD yen, yeah, it's going down slowly. The Australian dollar, CAD. So let's scan. We are scanning these pairs. Yeah, nothing. Very, very. You see that the price is ranging, and we have up and down moves. So nothing to trade there. Here, and you see, market is generally very slow. Very flat. There's Norwegian crown, very, very slow market. So definitely not worth trading. I'm not sure I would pay attention to this one. Let's say GBP yen. Flat. Flat totally. Yeah, just okay, dollar Swissy probably up because of the euro dollar. Yes, exactly. GBP Swissy. So I'm scanning. So let's see if we have a trade. I will open it live as always. Okay, GBP Swissy. This actually, yeah, could start maybe. You see, CAD Swissy. A bit conflicting signals here. Swissy yen. Oh, very good, but already moving down. This is a good one. I need to pay attention to this. Very good one. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see this one. No, we don't have anything literally except for dollar, Singapore dollar now, and the Australian dollar, New Zealand. They're going our way. But for other pairs, obviously, we don't have any clear direction. So I'm not sure that we will see anything this session. So last session yesterday was very good. As I opened a live trade on the Australian dollar, New Zealand, and I already show you my trade. So I'm trying to find it here, some more setups. But you know, when market is not moving or doesn't have any big retracement, it can be very, very slow. And I don't want to stray away from my Camarilla MACD because, as I already said, last couple of weeks, success was huge. It was, well, it was like 20, 30 trades last 2 months actually, and 25 wins since I started 4-hour trading with Camarilla MACD MTF. And now this is my main trading module, definitely. Okay, yeah, GBP dollar still going down. Euro New Zealand, yeah, but yesterday we had almost we entered the GBP Australian dollar. I think we had a good setup, but we missed it. Definitely we missed it. Yeah, it was, I think it was yesterday. Now you see the price made a move here, closed, and made 40 pips, and now it's still supported. So better to stay and wait. But the Australian dollar New Zealand is really going our way. You see, this candle is telling me that this candle actually might break this 52, and it's above this level 3, so it started a trend. I will leave it at least towards 84, and my final target 0720. I have my stop loss set at you see here it's break even +1. So basically, if I'm stopped out, I won't lose anything. I already scaled out. Here from the Australian dollar New Zealand. So it's I secure profits, and we're still going up. GBP no clear direction for me. I am waiting for a long setup here. We had a long setup there. This is a retracement, but I think this has the chance to go up. It's at resistance. 7 and 8 are strong, so maybe it will go up. But if it doesn't break this, if it doesn't close above this 82.45, I think it could drop. But now, no clear direction on the GBP Australian dollar. So I don't see anything particular here. No, dollar yen also. You see those small candles. Market is definitely very, very. There is very low volatility. You see 24 pips today only. So this is like market is waiting for something. Okay, and now the total range. Nothing to be traded except for this one. But that is how markets are now. We cannot do anything about it. It's just the market. Okay, let's see. Euro Turkish lira. Yeah, you see that was an uptrend, up move. Now the price is retracing. Yep. Dollar Chinese yuan. Also volatile market. I think this one will be on my watch list, so I will probably trade this in the future, because I noticed that when there is a strong trend, the prices are okay. Not ideal, but it's okay, tradable. Dollar ruble. Same here, nothing really. So let's see, guys. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. This webinar is being recorded, and it will be uploaded to YouTube, so you will be able to watch it again. Nevertheless, we have a dollar Singapore dollar live trade and Australian dollar New Zealand. If the dollar Singapore dollar breaks this level here and goes up, I will move my stop loss to 38.97.96. And on the Australian dollar, if the price moves above 0.652 and goes like 15 pips to the upside approximately, I will move my stop loss to 0.650. So that is a so-called profit stop. So I will secure even more profits. I already scaled out, so I will secure even more profits. Okay, guys, I don't see any questions, so I guess everything is clear. As I say, we need to be patient and we need to wait for the price to develop. Other pairs are definitely ranging. Some pairs are not making any moves. See, for example, here, we definitely need to see new wiz levels, because level 9 has been broken and now it's above level 6. So strong trend on New Zealand. There is still room till next resistance, so we might also have a long setup, but nothing at the moment. I don't see questions, so I guess everything is clear. So we are waiting for the market. The dollar and Singapore dollar and Australian dollar New Zealand left over from yesterday, and we are actually riding a free ride, scaled out, and you can move the stop loss to break even +1. This is what I'm going to do here. Just I did it already, but this was unintentional. So 38, 55, 4. So I'm moving stop loss to break even +1. Whatever happens, I won't lose anything. We can just now go in profits if market listens to us. Thank you guys for listening. This was trading ideas from myself. I hope that you enjoyed, and we still need more volatility to be able to take those live trades more occasionally. But nevertheless, I'm analyzing this. I'm giving you setups, clear entries, exits, and my trading ideas. Check the performance on myfixbook.com. See you guys soon. Enjoy the day and many good pips.